Welcome to Slow English Journal. Today we have a very helpful topic for everyone learning English. We will talk about how to stay confident when speaking English. Many people feel shy or scared when they speak, but don't worry, we'll help you today. Hi John, how are you?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good. I'm excited about this topic. Sometimes even I feel nervous when I speak English.
Really, John? But you speak English very well.
Thank you, Sarah. But yes, I still get nervous, especially when I speak with new people or in front of a group.
That's normal. Many people feel the same. It's not about how good your English is, it's about how confident you feel. Let's talk about that today.
Hmm.
So, John, tell me, when was the last time you felt nervous while speaking English?
Last week, I met some new people at a cafe. They were all speaking fast English, and I felt shy. I thought, my English is not good enough.
Ah, yes, that happens to many learners. What did you do then?
At first, I stayed quiet, but then I remembered something. If I don't speak, I don't practice. So I started with small sentences like, "Hi, how are you?" and "I like this place."
That's a great idea, John. Starting small is very helpful. You don't need to say big, long sentences. Just start with easy ones.
Yes. After a few minutes, I started to feel more comfortable. The people smiled and spoke slowly to me. That made me feel better.
See, confidence grows step by step. When people see you trying, they support you. No one expects you to be perfect.
Sarah, why do so many people feel scared to speak English?
Good question. I think people are afraid of making mistakes. They worry that others will laugh or judge them. But that's wrong. Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, I agree. When I started learning, I made many mistakes too. I used wrong grammar, wrong words, but I still spoke.
That's the right attitude. Every mistake teaches you something new. The important thing is to keep speaking. Practice is the key.
Sometimes people think they must speak like a native speaker, but I think it's not important.
Exactly. You don't need to sound like a native. You just need to communicate clearly. If people understand you, that's success. Let's talk about some tips for staying confident. John, what helps you when you speak English?
First, I take a deep breath. It helps me relax. Then I speak slowly. When I speak too fast, I make more mistakes.
That's true. Speaking slowly helps your brain and your mouth work together. You can also think better.
And I smile. Smiling helps a lot. When I smile, people become friendly and I feel more comfortable.
Oh, I love that one. Smiling is powerful. It shows you are friendly and open to communication.
Also, I try to think in English, not in my language. If I translate every word, I get confused.
Yes, thinking in English makes you faster and more natural. Even small thoughts like I am hungry or I am going to work, think them in English.
Sometimes I practice alone too. I talk to myself in English.
Really? How do you do that?
I just talk about my day. Like, I woke up at 7, I made breakfast, I went to work. It helps me use English every day.
That's a wonderful practice, John. Talking to yourself builds confidence because you're not afraid of being judged.
Yes, and I can repeat new words many times. Repeating makes my memory strong.
Exactly. Repetition is the best way to remember. The more you say a word, the more natural it becomes. John, what about speaking with other people? How can learners practice that?
There are many ways. You can join a small English club or find a friend who is also learning. You can practice together.
Yes, speaking with a partner is great. You can help each other and correct small mistakes.
And it's fun too. You can talk about hobbies, daily life, or even play English games.
That's right. Learning English should be fun, not scary.
Sometimes I watch movies or short videos in English. That helps me feel more natural when speaking.
Oh, yes. Listening is a big part of speaking. The more you listen, the more confident you become.
I try to repeat what the actors say. I copy their pronunciation and tone.
That's a great idea. Shadowing. When you copy native speakers, you train your mouth and ears.
Yes. And I don't worry if I sound funny at first. I just practice again and again.
That's the spirit, John. Practice and patience bring confidence. Let's imagine a situation. You are at a cafe, you want to order something in English. What will you do?
Okay, I'll try. Hello, can I have one coffee, please? And how much is it? Simple and polite.
Perfect. See, you don't need long or difficult sentences, just clear and polite English.
Yes. And if I don't understand something, I can say, can you repeat that, please? Or can you speak slowly?
Excellent. Those sentences show confidence. You are not afraid to ask.
Exactly. Confidence is not about knowing everything. It's about staying calm when you don't know.
Well said, John. Confidence means believing in yourself even when you make mistakes.
Sarah, can we share some easy phrases for our listeners to build confidence?
Sure. Let's give a few examples. You can say, I'm still learning, but I'll try. Can you help me with this word? I want to practice my English. I don't understand. Can you explain again? I'm improving every day.
Nice. These sentences show you are learning, not hiding, and people will respect that.
Yes, most people are happy to help if you speak honestly. Let's finish with a small message for everyone listening. John, what would you like to say?
I want to say, don't be afraid to speak. Even if you make mistakes, speak anyway. Every word you say makes you stronger.
That's beautiful, John. And I want to add, confidence is like a muscle. You build it by using it every day. Speak a little today, more tomorrow, and soon you'll feel brave.
Yes, speak, listen, and enjoy English. Confidence comes naturally when you practice with a smile.
Wonderful. Thank you, John, for sharing your ideas. And thank you, everyone, for listening.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and remember, you can do it.
See you next time on Slow English Journey.